The martial killing is done. Is it done? Say it when martial killing is done. I am the former president of Philippines. Yan. I will do create uh, kalimutan ko yung anong batas. English. Law. I could be create a law. Ayan. For those affected of affected of martial killing is will be burned until that person is away from the Philippines or disappear by the Philippines. Ayan. I create this because there are many peoples that is so maniac in the people that who is owner of a man like me. I had many girls that I like, and my wife I supposed to marry because I like it. When people talk about my wives, if you heard, the prison is on you, lifetime. That is the law, because you create valuable things to my wife that you had the permission to my wife, that is called saklam. Saklam is the word of manyak or pagmamanyak ng tao. Even you heard that is around on you, say it, connect to the jail, and he will be or she will be in the judgment of prison lifetime until that person is alive. Yun. That is the one law I create, supposed to be done there if that person is so guilty or anything called that, so that his dignity is under his doing, make it his life is the change of what he is doing. Yan. And 3, for those human, I kasama. Tagal na kasi yung hindi matagal na akong sa digmaan. I create for those who have my teammates. Your wife will be your wives were in Philippines, were live in the human that is has a good attitude there, and have a pleasing personality to become a nation people is overqualified and good. Ayan. Number 3, kala nyo tatagal na for the kala nyo bata ako, ganun. Sinasabi nila bata pa lang. Pwede natin gagawin, pwede natin lokohin. Yan, yung mga sinasabi ng mga talentadong tao na yan. Kala nila bata ako, 27 years old na ako. Yung mga tao na yan, wala nang kapatawaran. Diyos ako, sasabihin bata. Dapat maraming mga sinasabi ng mga tao, who is talking about me, about my teammates, supposed to be tortured. That is the right judgment of them. Torture until he died. Torture until he died. Torture until he died. Nakakatakot akong tao. Ayokong ipakita sa inyo na ganito ako. Baka sabihin nyo matakot kayo sa akin na baka ganun. Nakakatakot, baka mamaya nervyusin kayo, baka mamaya pakamatay kayo sa takot, mamatay kayo sa takot. Kasi yung mga tao, hindi sila nabigyan ng tamang pamumuhay. Dapat sa mga ganyan, dapat sa mga ganyan, biglang nalang pinapatay. Mamamatay akong tao. Kahit killer ako ng Diyos. Pero wala pa ako napapatay. Marami, kalaban. Pero kung gusto nyo kong pumatay, pwede yun. Kung argabyado ako, hindi ako yung kikilos na parang ako'y nauna. Kung obligado kong gawin, marami na akong wala akong baril, pero dahil makapangyarihan ako, pinatay ko. Dahil binabastos ako, tinatarantado ako, ginagawa akong bata, boss daw ako, boss-bossan. That is kind of heard na putang ina, wala ka namang ginagawa, gaganunin ka. Sasabihin, ganun lang ginawa sa'yo, pinatay mo na. Putang na, araw-araw ka nang ginaganon putang na, nakakababa na ng dignity ginagawa. Ano bang dapat action gawin doon? Di ba, patayin mo na lang. Yakuza ako, putang na, mas malala pa sa Yakuza. Kaya kayo, putang na nyo, itong batas na panghuli, putang ina nyo. Itong pipigil sa mga ginagawa nyo kasi rauluan. Para yung mga asawa ko makalabas na rin sa pagtatago dahil yung binabastos. Minamanyak, nililibog para yun. Tapos yung atensyon ng asawa ko nahihirapan, putang na, ay lubayan. This sport law is will be Teka lang. This sport law will be hirap. This sport law will be whether it's impierno o impierno. Puputulan ng dalawang kamay, dalawang paa. Para di na lumaganap yung mga ganong tao. Tapos nakakulong pa. Yun. Cut the both of hands and feet. Then trash to the prison, lifetime, long time. And that is the right doing to that persons. That's the right doing. Sasabihin, ba't gano'n na ako putang ina. Hayop, hari ako, putang na nyo. King ako, putang ina. Babastasin yung hari, putang ina. Hindi ako naging hari ng wala akong ginawa, putang ina, yung mga bobo kayo. Those who you heard saying things to the heroes will be judgment in prison until torture to die, torture to die. And the most bragging sentiment is cut the both hands and feet. No one will question my order because you are thinking what you can do in the Philippines and especially to my wives. Hindi nyo magagawa gusto nyo gawin, putang na nyo. Dagdagan nyo to.